So some semblance of congratulations are in order for such team, coached by such coach, for winning another English Premier League title. How much that now? 5 in the last 6 seasons. Personally, I don't think such team really win this one as much as Arsenal choked and gave it away. We credit the Gunners for giving such team a run for their money, but them choke. The rest of the teams, including Liverpool, were not good enough this season, and such team with such coach benefited. To be honest, I'm not impressed by them winning another league title. The richest club, unlimited spending, they can buy any player they want. Any other team won the league, it would be an upset. And by the way, it's 1 down and 2 to go for the treble for such team and such coach. We just hope such coach do some tactical foolishness and give away the Champions League again. Yes. Because they might play the other such team in the FA Cup final. And we don't want none of them to win. Me want a game that for draw. I don't want none of the 2 such teams to win the FA Cup final. Yes. So the Africa pray for a draw.